Hello everyone, this is Pradeep and welcome back to the channel with the new video, new openings and new hopes. Guys, today is the 26th of May, means today we bring some opening for software testing and software developer also, and some of for SOC analyst as well. So I would like to request you, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share this video with the needy people. Okay, let's start with the company name, their eligibility criteria and application procedure. So the first company name is Mobile Centrics Technologies. They are hiring for a manual tester. So they are currently hiring for the manual tester. So job role is a manual tester, right? And experience they're expecting 3 to 6 years. Mandatory skills: manual testing and API testing. So, okay. So job location for this position will be Jagatpur, Goa, and Ahmedabad. So this type job type is full time and it's only work from office only. Okay, 5 days working and Monday to Friday and Saturday Sunday you will get an weekly off for 2 days. Okay, if you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you can drop your CV on this correct and mentioned email address. This is the correct email address. So while sending the resume to the recruiter, this job title always be mentioned in your subject line. Okay, make sure. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Innovex Technologies. They are hiring again for the manual testing with the experience of 2 years. Salary as per the market standard. And notice period for this position is 30 days. And if you are fulfill this eligibility criteria and interested for this position, and if you have the notice period of 30 days, or if you are serving the notice period, you can drop your CV on this email address. This is the correct email address. Okay, so let's move on the next company. The next company name is Tactic Solutions. They are hiring for the test engineer with the experience of 2 to 3 years of experience. So if you are proficient in manual automation methodologies, you are eligible for this position. Job location will be Ahmedabad again. And if you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you can drop your CV on this mentioned email address. Okay, so the next company name is Can Vendor Software Solutions. They are hiring for the again a manual QA. So make sure guys, every openings while you sending the resume to the recruiter, this position name or should be mentioned in your subject line. Okay, experience for this position they are expecting 2 to 5 4.5 plus experience. More than 4.5 experience those are having, they can share their profiles. Work mode or work from office only. Okay, job location would be Chennai. Notice period, they are preferred immediate joiners. Job interview mode, first level is the virtual and second will be the face to face interview. And if you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you can drop your CV on this email address. Okay, make sure. Before proceeding to the next topic guys, I would like to tell you, I'm not a hiring person, I'm just sharing the information to the job seeker. If you are if anyone asks money for the interview or offer letter anything, it might be a fake. Do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Make a note of it, right? So next company name is HCL and they are hiring for the functional testers. Okay, the position name is functional tester and job location will be the Noida. And notice period, they are expecting a immediate joiner. Okay, and 3 plus years of experience they are expecting. And remote option for this position is not available, it's completely work from office only. If you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you can drop your CV on this email address, any one of them, right? This is the email address. And let's move on the next company. The next company name is Calibria QA. They are hiring for the manual test engineer. This is the position name. They are expecting a experience of 2 to 3 years of experience. And this is the work from home and hybrid, means within a week you can do a 2 days of work from home and 3 days of work from home and remaining 2 days work from office. Okay, number of position they are hiring currently 12. So this is the good opportunity. So if you are new on the channel, if you are fulfill this eligibility criteria, you can drop your CV on this image mentioned email address. Okay guys, this is the ending of month of May 2025 and financial year already started. and the openings are going to be increased in the upcoming month, in the June of 2025. And for this opening, you should have a ATS compliances resume, right? Recruiters are not going to search the manually candidates which they are hiring. They need a ATS compliances CVs. Your CV should be the ATS compliances, and ATS compliance template do not mention any colorful template. Your photo is not mandatory, it's never scanned by the ATS. Okay, you should have to mention many ATS friendly keywords in the particular resume. As per the keywords only, the ATS will scan your CV and recruiters will call you. So for this, I have started a resume building service. So if you want to build a ATS compliances resume, and you can reach me on this WhatsApp number. Okay, this is the WhatsApp number. You can definitely reach out to me for ATS resume building service. I will help you out, but make sure this is a paid resume building service. Okay, with the paid resume building service, you will get 5 to 6 free perks like optimization of Naukri and LinkedIn profile. Then you will get a free job alert. You will, if you are ready, we will arrange a free mock interview for this. This is the free 5 to 6 perks in this resume building service. Those are interested, they can reach me on this WhatsApp number. Okay. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Vani Technologies. They are hiring for the freshers only, and job location for this position is Indore on site, and experience 0 to fresher means 0 to 1 years of experience candidate can apply for this position. They are hiring for current position PHP developer, React JS developer, .NET developer, full stack developer, and Java developer. The basic eligibility for this position is like uh, BE take good understanding of programming concepts. You are fresher, so you should have the theoretical knowledge. That's fine. Okay, and logical thinking. And if you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you can drop your CV on this email address. Okay, you can see the email address over here. Okay, that's it, guys. If you are new on the channel, do not forget to like the video and share the video. So just subscribe our channel, and for the free pre mock interview, you can drop your CV on this mentioned email address. Okay, if you have any issue with the visibility service, you can definitely reach out me this WhatsApp number. Okay, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video with the new openings and new different things. So that's it in the video. Stay tuned, stay steady, and get the new job in the new financial year. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.